back at this place for more stuff for this car. Last time I was here, I got the thing for the air seats, automatic seats. Now I'm gonna need a fender because these are like jacked up and I don't want to do any body work to them. So this has a dent here. That's pretty substantial. And on this side it has like a bunch of dents here, here, here. So I don't care to fix dents. So I'm just gonna get a new panel. And also there's a CLK with some brakes. Get the brakes from the CLK550 and put them on this car. So I guess that's what the task of the day is. I'm got a long walk down the hill. Now this motorcycle place, I went through it once. I should check it out, but I don't care about bikes right now, at least. That's the one thing I don't like about this place. You gotta walk so far. Ow. To get. We're going downhill. This thing's speeding up a little. We gotta walk so far to get to this place, and then getting carts up this stupid hill. I don't know if this looks steep or not, but it's a pretty steep grade. Yeah, so on this yeah. Cool looking 190. And another 1.6. Here we are. So yeah, brakes are still on it. Look. All right. I think I might just take the rotors. Well, I don't need the rotors because I have some. But since they're already good with these, I don't really feel like refurbishing. I'm just gonna put them on the way they are. See if I can kind of clean up how shitty this looks. But whatever. See how it goes. I guess I'll look at whatever else they have. They had something like a, oh, nice. Is this manual? No. That's off. I think the hoods are worth something, but shipping is insane on these things now. That's cool. What's here? LS. Another CLK. A Z car. Oh. Anyways, I'll get back to work. While walking around, I don't know if this is a real black. Yeah, it's a Blackwood. And these are kind of rare. I'm guessing they couldn't open the hood and someone cut it in half. But yeah, that's cool. I remember back in the day, my dad was like trying to figure out if he wanted these when they first came out, or the Escalade ESV or whatever the hell it was. The pickup truck version of the Escalade. He ended up getting the pickup truck version of the Escalade. But this is funny. I don't think they produced a lot of these. Oh yeah, their retarded tailgate. I don't know how this opens, but see the concept. Damn, this is hilarious. Anyways, I gotta find 50. I'm at 200 and something. All right, well, I just grabbed the rears. The fronts are pretty stuck on there. I put some brake fluid on some of the bolts and around the hub, but nothing. It's still just stuck. I have impact in the car, so I should have brought it, but it is what it is. I'll get it later, and I'll see if the fenders are still here in good condition. Well, this is really convenient. This is I think a C350 or something. I'm pretty sure they didn't come with these brakes, but the guy might have upgraded to CLK550 brakes, but it's the same brakes that are on this car that I couldn't get these off of. so that's interesting. Anyways, gonna get them off that one because the bolts are looser, and I already got one off. Calipers gone. The rotors wouldn't come off either. I have extra set. I don't know why I wanted to. Actually, I do know why. I wanted to pair them so I don't have to cut the rotors and get new pads, but I'm just gonna do it anyways. Better do it properly than half-assed. So that's good. Got the calipers that I needed, front and rear, brake rotors. Let's see if I get the fenders. And here we are. Fenders. I don't see any dents, so I think I'm good to go. I gotta take the bumper, headlights, everything off to get the fenders off, to be honest. It's gonna suck. Yeah, ton of rock chips, but it's better than dents. All right, fenders are off, and I hope they don't fall on the ground. I'm probably gonna have to carry one. All right, ended up being a lot more than well, it's whatever, it is what it is. It's 240 something. Ended up getting both the fenders and there, and calipers and rotors. But yeah, time to get these things cleaned up and put on.